Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys. In this review we are going to unbox this box, and this box is sent by Divoom, and we have some beautiful and some very useful thing in it, that is Ditoo Pro. So Divoom sent me Ditoo Pro Bluetooth speaker. So here we have some more products from their website. You can go ahead and check the website, and they have some more details. So here we have the timeline. Each year they launched a new product. They just added all the information here. I have sky blue color. I really like the color, and also I'm in love with the packaging. If you want to gift this to anybody, you can just gift this as it is, and you don't have to buy another shopping bag for it. This is super cool product, so just unbox with me. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon for the notification, so whenever I upload a new video, so you guys will get a notification for it. So I take out all the packaging and all the plastic wrapping out of it. So let's gonna open the box. So here we have the beautiful Bluetooth speaker. If you are a gaming person or if you love music, then this device is for you. So here we have all the details. Here we have the speaker, some buttons, and also some stickers on the device. So just take it out, all the stickers, just take out the stickers, so see the real shine of the product. And I'm gonna tell you guys, in this product we have so many options. You can use this product not just for the speaker, not just for the music, but there are some more useful features as well. For example, you can use this as a clock and much more. So I will tell you later in the video. So here we have the charging port and memory card slot here, and power on and off button. And I'm gonna show you some more things in the package. So here we have the Ditoo Pro manual. You can always read the manual before using any new product. And we also got a new charging cable, that is type C, because it supports type C. So also we are getting some beautiful and pixel art stickers that we can use to decorate our Ditoo Pro. So let's just turn on it and see how the things are gonna work. And after that I will just connect this to my mobile phone, because there is also an app available for this product. So the app name is Divoom. You can download the app for free, and then you can add your user details. I also added my user details, and now I'm searching Bluetooth, and I also got my device, so just connected it with the mobile phone app. So you can also use this device for drawing your pixel art. You can use this as a clock, you can use this as a music creator. You can make any kind of music using the tools or instruments in the app. These are totally free, and these are free of cost. You can use the tools, or you can use any keys to make your own music, and you can play on your device. If you are a music maker person, so this device has so much to do with you. You can buy it just go in the description box and check the link there, and you will see all the details and all the pricing details in my description box. There are so many productive options in this Bluetooth speaker. For example, you can listen to radio, you can also set up your time, and you can also plan your daily or weekly stuff. You can make your alarms, or you can set up your alarms, and you can use it as a clock. You can put it on your desk, or even on your living room, or even on your night table, whatever you want. You can draw your stuff, you can display your stuff, or even you can record your message by using the joystick, the little joystick on the Bluetooth, and then you can use it. You can record your voice, and then you can hear it back. So I'm just setting the alarm for myself, so I can wake up at 7 a.m. So if you want it, you can use it in any way. So if you guys like this product, just give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye guys.